nagkaroon ng wage order number NCR 25. Ito yung nagdadagdag ng 35 peso daily minimum wage sa mga empleyado na covered nito, no, yung minimum wage earner. So sa non-agriculture from 610 magiging 645 na ang kanilang daily minimum wage. At ang mga nasa agriculture naman, retail service establishment employing 15 or less, at saka sa mga manufacturing employing less than 10, 573 plus 35, then magiging 608 ang kanilang daily minimum wage. Take note, this is for normal working hours which will not exceed 8 hours. Explain ko sa video yung implication ng normal working